Lithium-ion batteries are the silent heartbeat of modern civilization. From the smartphone in your pocket to the electric vehicle in your driveway, these energy powerhouses have transformed how we live and work. They provide the portable, reliable power that enables our mobile lifestyle and drives the transition toward a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. Why did lithium become the gold standard? It comes down to basic chemistry. Lithium is the lightest of all metals and has the greatest electrochemical potential. This means we can pack a massive amount of energy into a very small, lightweight package, allowing for devices that are powerful, yet incredibly portable. Because of these unique properties, lithium-ion dominates the energy landscape. Whether it's stabilizing the power grid or launching satellites into space, no other technology currently offers the same balance of energy density, longevity, and efficiency. It is the essential building block for the next generation of global energy infrastructure. To understand how it works, we need to look inside. A lithium-ion battery is composed of four main components: the anode, the cathode, the electrolyte, and the separator. Together, these elements form a sophisticated internal ecosystem designed to move energy back and forth with incredible precision and speed. Let's start with the anode, which is typically made of graphite. Think of graphite as a series of organized layers like the pages of a book. When the battery is charged, lithium ions slide neatly into these layers, storing energy in a stable, compact way until it is needed. On the opposite side is the cathode. This is the battery's positive terminal and is usually made of a metal oxide. During discharge, the cathode acts as the destination for lithium ions. The specific materials used here determine how much power the battery can provide and how long it will last. Connecting these two sides is the electrolyte. You can think of the electrolyte as a high-speed highway. It is a liquid or gel that fills the space between the electrodes, providing a medium that allows lithium ions to swim freely and quickly from one side of the battery to the other. Between the anode and cathode sits the separator, a critical safety component. It's a porous membrane that acts like a gatekeeper. It allows the tiny lithium ions to pass through easily while physically blocking electrons. This separation is vital. If electrons could cross internally, the battery would short circuit. When you plug your device in, the charging process begins. External energy forces lithium ions to leave the cathode, travel through the electrolyte, and pack themselves into the graphite anode. This process stores electrical energy in a chemical form, effectively winding up the battery for later use. Discharging is the reverse. When you turn on a device, the lithium ions naturally want to return to the cathode. As they move internally, electrons are forced to flow through an external circuit, powering your motor or screen before meeting the ions back at the cathode to complete the cycle. It is important to distinguish between electrons and ions. While lithium ions move through the internal electrolyte, electrons travel through the external wires. This separation of paths is exactly what creates the electric current we use to power the world around us. Lithium ions move so efficiently because they are incredibly small and light. Their low mass gives them high mobility, meaning they can navigate the internal structures of the battery faster than almost any other ion. This speed translates directly into the high performance we expect from modern electronics. One of the greatest strengths of this technology is high energy density. Because lithium is so efficient, we can store more energy in a smaller footprint. This high energy-to-weight ratio is the primary reason why electric cars can now travel hundreds of miles on a single charge. Fast charging is another hallmark of lithium-ion. Because the ions are so mobile, the battery can accept a large influx of energy in a short amount of time without damaging its internal structure. This reduces waiting times and makes electric transportation practical for our fast-paced lives. Longevity is key to sustainability. Lithium-ion batteries are built for a long cycle life, often lasting for thousands of charge and discharge cycles before showing significant wear. This durability ensures that the products they power remain useful and reliable for many years of service. Efficiency is where this technology truly shines. Lithium-ion batteries have a round-trip efficiency of over 95%. This means that nearly all the energy you put into the battery during charging is available for you to use later, with very little energy lost as waste. However, no system is perfect. As ions and electrons move, they encounter resistance, which generates heat. While some heat is normal, managing it is vital. Effective cooling systems ensure the battery stays within its optimal temperature range, protecting both performance and the longevity of the cells. Like all things, batteries eventually age. Over time, chemical side reactions and temperature fluctuations cause capacity to slowly decrease. Factors like deep discharges or keeping a battery at high voltage for too long can accelerate this process, which is why smart usage is so important. In very rare cases, extreme heat or damage can lead to thermal runaway, a rapid, self-sustaining increase in temperature. While this sounds concerning, modern batteries are engineered with multiple layers of physical and chemical safety features specifically designed to prevent these rare events from occurring. The hero behind the scenes is the Battery Management System, or BMS. This is the brain of the battery. It constantly monitors voltage and temperature across every cell, balancing the load and acting as a digital guardian to ensure the system always operates safely and efficiently. As we look toward a circular economy, recycling becomes essential. Lithium-ion batteries are not just waste, they are urban mines. By recycling them, we can recover the precious metals used in their construction, reducing the need for new mining and lowering the environmental impact. The recycling process breaks batteries down into what we call black mass. From this, we can extract pure lithium, nickel, cobalt, and manganese. These recovered materials can then be fed back into the manufacturing process, creating a closed-loop system for sustainable energy storage. The future of storage is expanding. While lithium-ion is the leader, new technologies like solid-state, sodium-ion, and flow batteries are emerging. These aren't necessarily replacements, they are complementary tools that will help us meet specific needs, from long-duration grid storage to even safer consumer electronics. Batteries do not work alone. In the broader energy landscape, they work in tandem with hydrogen. While batteries provide the fast, high-power response needed for cars and daily grid fluctuations, hydrogen offers the long-duration storage required for heavy industry and seasonal energy shifts. The future of energy is not one technology. It is an intelligent system where batteries, hydrogen, renewable power, and smart infrastructure work together to build a cleaner, more reliable world. Together, these innovations are paving the way for a sustainable planet and a brighter future for everyone.